Hi, I'm Teaching Dad, and this is Andy, the 57 Westerner. I'm working on restoring him. And I want to share with you something I've been doing all week. This is the culminating act of working on him for all week. I'm all grubby, I've been working out and everything. And with our help, we've got Woody and Buzz, who are also Andy's toys. So we're going to pull this right out. Oh, for crying out loud. Ned, would you stop horsing around? I don't, my son, for crying out loud. Okay. So, here we go. Watch. And bringing it right through here. Look at that. Oh, is that amazing or what? Oh, I'm a champion.